are welcome to the maths classroom. We want to identify fractions. So our topic is identifying fractions. So we have 4 questions here that we are going to identify their fractions from. Number 1, if half 1/2 of your class has to stay after school, what fraction gets to go home? What fraction gets to go home? So let us work it. We don't know the number of people in that class, but what we will do, the simplest way to do it is look at the denominator. The denominator is 2. So write 2 over 2. Take away the half that have gone, that is 1/2. When you have the same denominator, you know that you are going to write 1. So you use the up like that, 2 minus 1. It's going to give you 1/2. That means 1/2 of the class had gone home. Now let's go to number 2. James crushed 10/12 of his crackers. What fractions of his crackers once crushed? So what you will do is that you don't know the numbers of crackers that James had. What you are going to do is just to look at the denominator. You look at the denominator, you use it to work it out. You look at your denominator. Your denominator is 12. So what you do is that write 12/12 and take away those ones that James had crushed. So it's going to give you have the same denominator, write out 1. So 12 minus 10 is going to give you 2/12. And you can divide further. So you have 1/6. Now let's go to, this is our number 1. Let's go to our number 3. Our number 3, George gave his baby brother 2/5 of his card collection. What fraction of his card collection did George keep? It's still the same way that you are going to do it. We are going to do is that look at the denominator. The denominator is 5. So just write 5/5 and take away what he had given his brother. So what you have is, you have your denominator, they are the same. So since they are like, take 1. Alright, 5 minus 2 is going to give you 3/5. So that means George is keeping 3/5. Now let's go to number 4. They say, what fraction of your senses is sight? This one is simple also. You say, okay, how many senses do we have? We have 5 senses. And what fraction is sight? Sight is just 1 out of 5, so it's 1/5. Can you see that it's a simple? Whenever you want to identify fraction, you just look at the denominator. When you look at the denominator, you just write it like this. That means you use the denominator for this one as the one that will be the numerator and the denominator, and you do it. You see that it is very simple.